Fueling your life. The power of healthy food for a thriving, inspired, and fulfilled life. In a world where convenience often takes precedence over health, where fast food chains promise instant gratification but leave us feeling sluggish and drained, the importance of healthy eating cannot be overstated. Food is more than just sustenance. It is the foundation of our energy, vitality, and overall well-being. The way we nourish our bodies determines how we feel, how we think, and ultimately how we live. Embrace the power of healthy eating and unlock your full potential. But beyond just eating for survival, imagine a life where food becomes your greatest ally, a source of strength, healing, and motivation. A life where every bite you take is an investment in a future filled with boundless energy, sharp focus, and unwavering passion for life. This is not just about dieting or following trends. It's about embracing a lifestyle that fuels you to become the best version of yourself. The truth about food: what you eat shapes who you become. The food we put into our bodies has the power to either heal us or harm us. Every meal is a choice, and that choice determines the strength of our immune system, the clarity of our mind, and the vibrancy of our spirit. If you constantly feed your body with processed foods, excess sugars, and unhealthy fats, you will feel the consequences: fatigue, low energy, brain fog, and even chronic diseases. But when you nourish yourself with whole, natural, nutrient-dense foods, you will awaken a version of yourself you never thought possible. Suddenly you have the energy to chase your dreams, the mental clarity to make better decisions, and the emotional stability to handle life's challenges with grace and resilience. Imagine waking up every morning feeling alive, strong, and unstoppable. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing not just a body, but a powerful being filled with purpose, drive, and unshakable confidence. That life is possible, and it all begins with what you put on your plate. The superfoods of life: what your body craves. Your body is a masterpiece, and it deserves the best fuel. Here are some of the most powerful, life-changing foods that will energize, heal, and elevate you. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that cleanse your body and give you unstoppable energy. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, acai, and goji are nature's candy. They are loaded with antioxidants that protect your cells and boost brain function. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, are essential for brain health, heart health, and keeping your energy levels stable throughout the day. Lean proteins, including salmon, chicken, lentils, quinoa, and chickpeas, are the building blocks of your body. They help you stay strong, lean, and full of endurance. Whole grains like brown rice, oats, quinoa, and whole wheat provide slow-releasing energy that keeps you feeling full and fueled for the long haul. Herbs and spices such as turmeric, ginger, garlic, and cinnamon are powerful natural medicines. They reduce inflammation, boost immunity, and enhance overall well-being. Now think about this. Every single meal you eat is a choice. You can either choose foods that give you life, energy, and longevity, or you can choose foods that slowly drain your vitality, leaving you tired, sluggish, and uninspired. The motivation to change. Why your health is your greatest asset. Your body is the only place you have to live. Think about that for a moment. You can replace a car, you can buy a new house, you can get new clothes, but you cannot replace your body. How many dreams have been lost because people lack the energy to pursue them? How many opportunities have been missed because poor health held someone back? How many moments of joy have been overshadowed by fatigue, disease, or discomfort? You deserve more. You deserve to wake up every morning with fire in your heart, passion in your soul, and the physical strength to chase after your biggest goals. You deserve to feel powerful, capable, and unstoppable. And that starts with honoring your body and feeding it with love, care, and nourishment. Your journey starts now. Take control of your health and life. There is no better time than now. Not next week, not next month, not someday. The time to take control of your health is today, this moment, right now. Start small, drink more water, eat more greens, cut down on processed foods, move your body, prioritize sleep, breathe deeply, and most importantly, believe in yourself. You are stronger than you think, you're more capable than you realize, and you have the power to transform your life one meal at a time. You are not just eating to survive, you are eating to thrive. You are fueling a body that will carry you toward your dreams, goals, and greatest potential. So, make the choice today. Choose health, choose energy, choose life. Because the greatest wealth you will ever have is not money, fame, or material possessions. It is your health, and it is worth everything. This is your time. Step into your power, fuel your body, fuel your dreams, and become the best version of yourself.